Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to bring you a grocery haul. I went to Walmart, I went to Dollar Tree, and I went to Aldi. And I got a few packs of lunch meat. I got buffalo style chicken breast for $4.29. I just picked out the cheapest ones I could find. I got the pre-sliced Black Forest ham, that was $3.51. And the roast beef was $4.93. And I always pack Doug the buffalo chicken breast. He likes that. And you could also chop all these up for a salad. I was thinking about that as well. So got that, and I got this. I love a cheese Danish, and this was marked down to $3.62. He said save $1.62, so that's always good when you can get them on sale. I've been buying these chips lately because they are lightly salted. There's so much sodium in chips, so I've been trying to pick up that instead. I got some of the Equate ibuprofen. I guess it's like Motrin, and I like that. I like that one right there, so that's what I got. What's the difference between Motrin and ibuprofen? I don't understand it. It says it's ibuprofen. I don't know what the difference is. If you know, let me know. I got a butter pound cake. I'm going to make a Memorial Day dessert. You'll probably see that already. But I got the butter pound cake because my oven is broke, if you've watched me for a while. And somebody came to look at it, but they didn't get it fixed. They're waiting on a part. We never heard anything, So Lowe's is going to credit us with another stove. So we're going to pick out another stove, thank goodness. So can't wait to use my stove. I haven't used my stove since March 29th. It's a long time ago without a stove. I have the top, but I don't have the oven part. All right, I got some vanilla pudding, and that's going to be for the dessert that you're probably already going to see. And also the whipped topping. I got two of them because I'm making two different desserts. I got 2 hot dogs and 1 hamburger. I figure, you know, Memorial Day would probably be cooking out or something. And I got some hot dogs from Aldi, and I'll show you that. And I got 1 pack of hamburger. And I think that's all I got at Walmart. I didn't get a whole lot, so that was what I got at Walmart. And these were $1.38. I think this was $83, which I thought Aldi was cheaper. I mean, I thought Walmart was cheaper, but no, it was 79 cents at Aldi. And these were like $1.99, I think. Those were 99 cents. And the ibuprofen was like $2. This was kind of expensive at $3.48. And the chips went up to $3.18. So that's what I got at Walmart. Show you what I got at the Dollar Tree. I am fixing up our room in the back for the boys whenever they spend the night and they sleep here. So I've got some more of these so we can arrange their toys and clothes. So I got 2 more of those. That's all they had at that store. I got some more gloves because I'm working outside all the time and I'm always leaving them somewhere. My gloves outside. I got these. These are basket liners. I saw someone on TikTok say that they use these in these baskets. I thought that would be awesome to use, especially like you're eating hot dogs or something. So these come in a 4-pack, and this comes in a 14-pack sheet. So I got 2 of those. Then I thought with grilling season, like if I wanted to grill some vegetables, you can just lay that on top of the grill and grill your vegetables or whatever you have so that it won't go through. So I'm going to try that and see if it works. I'm missing some stuff, but I got 2 of these. I have to look. Maybe it fell out of the car, but I got 2 of these for the boys. Push that, and that ball comes out, and hopefully that'll keep them occupied this summer. And also this is supposed to stick to that right here, and I got 2 of them so they can both play. I did get a red one in this one, but of course I had a snack going down the road, so I got those. Those are delicious. They're even better than Twizzlers. I think they're really soft, and they're a lot bigger than the other ones, and they're easier to chew. And I got the super glue gel. It says it doesn't drip, so that's what I like because I always make a mess, and I'm scared I'm gonna glue my fingers together. So that's all I got at the Dollar Tree. Now here is Aldi. Got some cucumbers. They were like $1.83. The lettuce was like $1.70 something. The hot dogs were 99 cents. So I got 2 of those. I can always put one in the freezer. These corn chips I get for Doug for lunch. They were like $1.73. These graham crackers were like $1.79. Doug likes those for his lunch. I got these Brussels sprouts, $2.39. Whole granola was on sale for $2. Got some gallon storage bags. I'm out of those. Got some marinara sauce. So keep that on my shelf. I got some more corn. It's 50 cents cheaper than Walmart. Got some of these for my grandson Samuel. Got 5 of those. I got mango, apple, banana, avocado, a sweet potato, a pear, blueberry spinach, and an apple pear broccoli. Those were $1.09 a piece. Got the avocados. They were 59 cents a piece. I got 2 of those. These were a really good deal. These were yellow potatoes, and they were only $2.99. I got 2 bags of them. They are over $5 at Walmart. Then I got a bag of Idalia onions. It was 2 pounds for, I think, $2. No, I think it was maybe even less than $2. And I got a 45-cent bag of cilantro. I did buy a game for the boys for outside. It was $29.99 or $19.99. I can't remember. I put them on the screen, but that is what I got from Aldi, Walmart, and Dollar Tree. I hope y'all enjoyed the haul, and I'll see y'all in the next one.